Hello students, today we start our maths reference book standard 3rd chapter number 1 to be continue multiplication exercise number 1.6 in your notebook page number 79. The given picture show a stationery shop. Observe it carefully and answer the following question. So there are given some prices of stationery. One notebook of rupees 43, packs of pens of rupees 55, packs of pencils rupees 32, packs of crayons rupees 65. So here are given prices of stationery. We give answer the following questions. First, Sneha buy 2 notebooks. How much does she pay for it? स्नेहा ने 2 notebooks खरीदी है. So how much does she pay for it? उसके लिए वो कितना पेड करेगी? So we write statements. Cost of 1 notebook. Cost of 1 notebook. What price of notebook? Cost of 1 notebook price here. Price notebook rupees 43. So we write here rupees 43. Now we find out price of 2 notebooks. We find out 2 notebooks. So next statement, cost of 2 notebooks equal rupees 43 multiply 1 notebook price 43. So find out 2 notebooks. 43 multiply 2 equal. So we do this sum here. Rupees 43 multiply by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. So 86. So price of 2 notebook 86. So we write here answer rupees 86. Now next question. Arnab buys 3 notebooks and 2 packs of pencil. अर्नब ने क्या खरीदा? 3 notebooks, 3 notebook and 2 packs of pencil. 2 पैकेट पेंसिल के उसने खरीदे. So how much does he pay for it? तो उसने इन दोनों चीज़ों के कितने पे किए और कितने पे करेगा? So we write statements. First, cost of 1 notebook. Cost of 1 notebook. What is cost of 1 notebook? Here given 1 notebook price 43. Rupees 43. Now we find out 3 notebooks price. So here write next statement. Cost of 3 notebooks. Rupees 43 multiply 3. One notebook price 43. So we find 3 notebook 5. 43 multiply by 3 equal. We do sum this side. 43 multiply 3. So 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. So 129 rupees 129. Now we find out 2 packs of pencils price. He buys also 2 packs of pencil. So first we write cost of 1 pack of pencils. Pack of 1 pencils. So what price of 1 pencil? Pack of 1 pencil rupees 32. So here we write rupees 32. Now we find 2 packs of pencil. So cost of 2 packs of pencils rupees 32 multiply 2 equal. So 32 multiply 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. So answer is rupees 64. So price of 3 notebooks 129 and price of 2 packs of pencils 64. Now how much does he pay for it? So total money he paid. Total money, first this and second this. So we add both prices. Rupees 129 plus rupees 64. So we add downside 129 and 64. So 9 and 4 13. 3 right, downside 1 carry over. 2 and 1 3. 3 and 6 9 and 1 itself 193. So rupees 193. Total money he paid 1 rupees 193. Now next question. Honey purchased 4 kg mangoes costing rupees 35 per kg. She also purchased 2 boxes of strawberry costing rupees 65 per box. So Honey purchased 4 kg mangoes. So and cost of mangoes rupees 35 per kg. So we write first statements. Cost of 1 kg mangoes. What cost of 1 kg mangoes? Rupees 35. We write here rupees 35. Now we find out cost of 4 kg mangoes. So write next statement. Cost of 4 kg mangoes, rupees 35 multiply by 4. 1 kg mangoes price rupees 35 and 4 kg mangoes rupees 35 multiply by 4. So we do this sum is this side. 35 multiply 4. 4 5s are 20. Write 0 downside and carry over right above 3. So to write here 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 12 and 2 14. So 140 rupees 140. Now next she also purchased 2 boxes of strawberry costing rupees 65 per box. So we write next statement. Cost of 1 box strawberry. 1 box strawberry. Cost of 1 box of strawberry. 1 box of strawberry rupees 65. We write here rupees 65. Now we find out how many boxes he purchased. 2 boxes. So cost of 2 box of strawberry. 2 boxes of strawberry. So we write rupees 65 multiply 2. So here we will do multiply. 65 multiply 2. 2 5s are 10. 1 carry over. 2 6s are 12. 12 and 1 13. 130 rupees 130. Now next, how much did she pay in all? So next statement. Total money she paid. First, price of 4 kg mango and here 2 boxes of strawberry. So first we write rupees 140. We add both price rupees 140 plus rupees 130. Now we will do add 140 and 130. 0 4 3 7 1 and 1 2 270. So here we write rupees 270. So total money she paid 270 rupees. Now next sum 3. Arushi purchased 2 packets of pens. Each packet contained 15 pens. She gave 12 pens to her younger brother. Her father gave her 5 more pens. How many pens does she have now? Now, आरुषि परचेज्ड, आरुषि ने 2 पैकेट्स पेन के खरीदे एंड ईच पैकेट, हर एक पैकेट में 15 पेन्स थी. शी गेव 12 पेन्स टू हर यंगर ब्रदर. उसमें से 12 पेन्स जो थी वो अपने ब्रदर को दे दी. सो हाउ मेनी लेफ्ट शी, उसके पास कितनी बची. सो वी राइट स्टेटमेंट हियर. नंबर ऑफ पेन्स इन 1 packet. How many packet? Number of pens in 1 packet. How many pens? So 15. Each packet containing 15 pen. So next statement, number of pens in 2 packets. 15 multiply 2 equal 30. How many pens? 30 pens. Number of pen in 1 packet 15. Number of pens in 2 packets 15 multiply 2, 15 to the 30. Now number of pens. Number of pens give to her younger brother. Number of pens give to her younger brother. How many pens gave? She gave 12 pens. So she had 15 pens. We write here 12. Okay. Now number of pens left with Arushi. She have 15 pens and she gave 12 pens to her younger brother. Now, she have 30 pens and she gave 12 pens to her younger brother. So Arushi have left of Arushi pens 30 minus 12, 18. So left with Arushi 18 pens. Now number of pens. So number of pens given to her father. How many pens given to her father? 5. So number of pens given to Arushi. Number of pens given to Arushi. Number of pen given to Arushi by her father. By her father. How many pens given? 5 pens. 5 more pens given to her father. So, number of pens with Arushi. Number of pens with Arushi. How many pens with Arushi? So, here 18 and her father gave 5 more pens. So, we add 18 plus 5. 18 plus 5, 23. So, answer is 23 pens. Okay, student?